Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. I'm your host Juan Cobas, and I hope you enjoy the next video. Okay, here we have the package that I received today, and it's one of those poles you put on your car and hook up a camera to it so you can have different views of your car where you're driving from the back and the front, and you actually see the car because the pole turns invisible. So here it is, a newer car mount for camera. 3 suction cups. All right. Here are all the instructions. Warning. Make sure the weather's not bad. Within the speed limits of what this gadget is capable of. And here it is. Let's see. All sorts of things. Oh, well, that fell off right away. Is that just? Oh, that's just part of the packaging. I'll just leave that there for now. Little string, rope, whatever you want to call it. There's the pole. And what I like about these is it has an adjustment. It tells you when the suction is at the right point when you can't see that line. So when it goes to there, you know you're good. And if it's past there, then it's not going to hold properly. And then what we have here is just another attachment for angles, and another, and something to hold down your camera. So I guess a GoPro or Insta360, whatever. And you get 2 Allen keys or Allen wrenches, whatever you like to call them. Oh wow, still more. Another clamp. And it looks like that's it, except for the pouch, the dry pouch, supposed to keep everything dry. So the instructions show attaching this to here. 1/4-inch screw goes in, and just twist that on there. Okay, I don't know how tight that's supposed to be. And then just snug that up a little bit without pushing anything down, and see if it actually, just from the pressure of it existing on the countertop, it sucks it down. Apparently it does. So you don't actually have to push it if it's on a smooth surface, a smooth, clean surface. It just, yeah. Oh man, okay. So I like that. That's a good feature of this product. Release it. There we go. And this is dust-proof material, whatever. So there's a diagram of what it's supposed to look like on the vehicle once it's completely installed. So see how it is here, and that, and then the pole will go on here. Screw that on and turn it, get it adjusted, and then this other piece apparently will screw on into there. Get this, screw it in there. I'm just doing everything loosely, just for kind of show how this stuff goes. take the rod and there's the hole, 1/4 inch hole. Screw that in. Okay. And then here's that other bracket. So I guess you go over the wide part. You get the mounting hole on the bottom. A little snugger. Get this again. This will just tilt back. So I loosen it. I think they want it around that area. Basically what the picture shows. So you just tighten everything up. I was wondering what this Allen key was for, and finally I figured out it's to tighten this. So it gives you leverage, it makes that tighter, because I sure couldn't make it tight enough by hand. And then all this extends. What's this? And if I need more angle, then I can just detach that and put the extension on. Just open that up. I will put this on to get a different angle. Put that back on. And there you go. You have a different angle, steeper angle. I don't think that recorded last time, so just loosen that. And then you can see, you just, if you want to make it a shallower angle, you take this off, and you have a shallower angle. Put this on there. And if you want a steeper angle, you just put that on. Screw this back on. And attach it. And tighten. For various different angles. You can see you can bend that. Okay. I think that pretty much explains it. So this is a pretty cool gadget. I can't wait to try it out. And tighten that. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Not going anywhere now. That I can tighten when I get on the vehicle or whatever. All right.